And what do we got today? It's a 2001 GTX DI. And the customer complaint on this one is he's got a maintenance light. How would he know? He said it was a battery issue, a charging issue. But I don't think it tells you what the issue would be. But anyway, we're gonna check that out. And he's only getting 40 miles an hour out of it. So I don't know if these are two lunar keys or what we got going on. But we're gonna go through and check it out and see if we can't make this baby run again. So I guess first thing we gotta do is verify that yes, we do have a maintenance code. Do we have any battery? No battery power. So number one is, let's get the seats off, get the battery on charge. Seat coming off. I think we may have done a video on this before. It's the one that a tree had fallen on it, but I had another hull for him, so I sold him a hull and he's been transferring parts over. Okay, looks like a nice new battery. And plug this thing in, see what happens. Saying, oh. Let's just see if anything lights up now at least. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, we'll let that charge for a second. While I was waiting for the charge, I set up the meter, and now, oh geez, I'm gonna have to start it and then pull the power off the battery charger. Not enough. Okay. We'll have to let that charge for a bit. And Can-Do Pro, put the tether on. DI detected. Faults. What do we got for faults? Bat volt low, low volts. Diagnostic cap. Is there anything active? No. So it's all low battery voltage. I want to activate some stuff, so once that finishes clearing. Fuel pump we know works, rave solenoid. Okay, so all the electronics are working. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire it up. I'm gonna unplug the battery charger. And we're gonna see if the rectifier is working or not. Rectifier is not working. Let's pop in a new one. Rectifier coming out, or did I already get the bolt out? I did. And drop the washer. Oh, it's going. It's going. Saved. And simple unplugging these two. This is one possibility. The other possibility is we got a bad fuse, but I'm going to try this route first. right, let's go check the power volts. Unplug the battery charger. Tether going on. It's not the rectifier. I just swapped out for a different rectifier. I want to try that because I don't know if that one was a good one or a bad one. Maybe it was one I took out of another machine. There you go. Problem solved. Squeeze this bad boy back in here. Bottom one going in with the paper trick. This one. I'm gonna get it. She's on. Okay, let's verify it works. We're at 1221. Anything over 1221 is good. Sweet. Now we got to check the keys because there is something wrong with it. It only goes at 40. So let's see if he's running learner keys. So I see it had one learner's key. So let's erase that key. Oh, you got to select the whole row. Now we'll see what this was. We won't know what it was. Yes, if I go to add a normal key. So that was set as a learner's key. Add a normal key. Write the data. So the white one was definitely a learner. Keys. 2 normal keys. Now we'll have to test it out on the water. And here we are down at the water. Let's give this thing a nice little test run. It is the next day, by the way. Oh, put it in reverse. Is this tied on at the back? Maybe. Something holding it. Guess I gotta pull her out. I can't see. Unless there's another rope here. Ah, there's something up. Ugh. I'm back out of the water. Looking around. Nothing. Huh, a bungee cord. Really? I'm like pulling it off and it's bouncing right back. Now we'll go again. maybe we'll have better luck this time. Trying to figure out what every different person does. I need a tether. Tether. Reverse. Start again. Doesn't like to start on the first hit. Guessing that could be a fuel pump. Starting to go. No maintenance light for charging though. So we need to get, I guess it's more about the RPMs, 6,800. Wow, that's a lot of, all right, so we got, just gonna let her warm up. Bumpy this morning. Problem solved. Be nice if it wasn't so rough. Okay, we're going to switch tethers now just to check the other one, which I don't like doing when I'm out in the middle of the lake. But we're doing it. In case it doesn't restart. Come on, $6,000. Oh yeah. Can't believe it. For the first time in about 6 machines, we got something easy. Simple rectifier change for the charging. Of course, I had one bad rectifier in the drawer, so that's why it didn't work the first time, but put in another one, all good to go. And the weird thing was he had 2 keys, one white, but they were both programmed for and so the thing wouldn't go over the 40 miles an hour and kind of sluggish. Now the thing rips almost 60 miles an hour, runs perfect. Very happy. So now we can send this one down the road and wait till you see the next project. Maybe I'll give you a quick peek. There's your peek. Thanks for watching.